Hello. So in this video we will talk about UV unwrapping and how to UV unwrap any cubic shape in a really easy and fast method. So we will UV unwrap these two things, but let's start with this one, which is a bit easier than that one that has some dents and cracks, which is a bit advanced. So with this one set, so let's turn off snap and we click on tab to be guided in edit mode. Make sure to be in edge mode by pressing 2. So 1, 2, 3 is one vertex, edge and mode. So 2 for edge. In situation like a cubic shape, any cubic shape such as these, or it can be a rectangular, whatever. So let's select this. So we need to select the edges because we need to add markings. So we select these, a shape like this one, okay, a shape like this, or like U, or like C. So this is most like a C if you type. Then you need to select the C, a mirror C. So we have here and we have the same shape we selected right in the mirror side. Then we need to connect these to select the shape with these lines, or it doesn't matter, you can select even the lower part, but it's important because the mark seams, when you add texture, it will break the textures, so you will see a seam or a bad result. So you have to select the seams or the mark seams almost on the places which is not available in front of the camera view. So here we see this front in camera view, but this edge at the back side we can't see those, so it is a good position to select them. Then right click and mark seam. Now if I open up a new tab, let's set it to UV editing, then let's select it, press 3 to be in face mode, U and unwrap. You will get a really nice UV mapping. Turn on display stretch, no stretch at all. You will see everything is blue, and blue means that there is no stretch part. So you can click on UV sync selection mode, and you can see that these face belong to here. Here we see really clear. And this one is these two at the outside, these two. Okay, so really cool and easy method. I use that a lot in my UV mapping courses. So let's press numpad /. Now we select this one, which is a bit advanced than what we had before. So this is by default when we select it. So press 3, you can go to wireframe mode. So we need to think about it, how we can add the mark seams. I actually did it, so let's press Ctrl space. If I press Alt H, I have this one which I worked on that. You can see the mark seams which I added is the shape is the same. So here you see the C shape which we added and the C shape here. Then we connect it from here. And the reason is that I connect it with the mark seams from here is because to get less stretchy result. And let's press Ctrl space, and the result of this one, if I press U and unwrap, is almost like this. So we see a bit of stretchy result, but we can fix that really easy. How? Well, the stretch result is for these holes. If we will be really precise, we can add marksins around those. For example, we can add the marksins here and separate them. So right click and marksim. So now we marked around these holes. If I select A, then press 3 for faces, then press U and unwrap, we will disconnect each of these holes to an individual islands. So there is no stretch result at all, as you can see. So the greenish part is gone now, and we have a really clean UV map and islands. But in such situation like this for hand painting, we even don't need to have something like this. So I will connect them together. So it should work fine. But we try to keep things without any stretch result. So if you see a greenish result while hand painting, so we will really, when we hand paint, we will see really clearly that stretch result. So let's save it as it is. So now if you would like to do the same thing, so we did it already. So you just need to press U and connect, select the corners of these, then do the same thing with here, but deselect this one. Then you can just select and connect the rest. Select, and continue to select the rest. Right click and marksim. Then what you need to do is just connect the rest. Right click marksim, and let's press U. Make sure to be in face mode and unwrap, and we got the same result as we had on this model. So let's get rid of this, and we have it almost here. Thank you very much, and we will hand paint on these two objects in the next video. But I have a YouTube channel. I will be glad if you go and subscribe to that. I will upload each week new tutorials, new tips and techniques, shorts. So have fun and see you in the next video.